Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to revise our chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Understanding elementary shape. This chapter we have done in the earlier classes. So we will discuss about first length of a line segment. Length of a line segment. So, the distance between two endpoints of a line segment is called the length of a line segment. Suppose two endpoints of a line is there. The distance between both these points is the length of a line segment. Suppose A and B two line, A and B is a line over there, and C and D of the same length. C and D. If you measure both the line, the length of both the lines will be equal. You can say that line ABC is congruent to line CD. This line is equal to this line. So it can be easily done with the help of. You can compare the line segments also with the help of divider. A divider. Just open the divider. It is look like that. It's having in your geometry boxes. What you have to do, you have a ruler, a scale over there. You have to put the divider on the scale and then open it, and then you can easily, with the help of this divider, you can measure the line segment. If both the line segment are of the same length, then you can say that both the lines are equal. If first line is this and the second line is this, if we compare these both the lines, we can say that this line is not equal to this line because the length of this line is not equal to the length of this particular line. So with the help of ruler, you can easily measure the length of the line. Second, we are going to discuss about the relation between the measurements of a line segment. Measurement of a line segment. Here we draw the table of unit over there. Then we have a symbol is there, and then relation. First is millimeter. Millimeter. It will be in mm. 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter, or we can say 1 millimeter equals to 1 upon 1000 meter. 1 meter equals to 10,000 millimeter. 1 millimeter equals to 1 upon 10,000, 1 upon 1000 meter. Next will be cm, centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, or 1 centimeter equals to 1 upon 100 meter. 1 upon 100, 1 centimeter equals to 1 upon 100 meter. Decimeter. We can say that 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter, or 1 dm equals to 1 upon 10 meter. If we compare, so in this way we can write it. Deca dm 1 decameter equals to 10 meter. Hectometer. HM, 1 HM equals to 100 meter. Kilometer AM. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So this is the unit symbol and the relation to meter and other unit. So in this way we can find out the relation between any of these things. The most important thing, this is millimeter, this is centimeter, this is decameter, this is meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. If you want to convert it, you have to multiply by 10. If you want to convert into it, you have to multiply by 10. If you want to convert in this, you have to multiply by 10. If you want to convert in this, you have to multiply by 10. If you want to convert dm into cm, you have to multiply by 10. And if you have to convert cm into millimeter, you have to multiply by 10. So when you have to convert this into this, you have to multiply by 10. If you have to convert Q into dm, you have to multiply by how many? 100. So in this way you can convert it any of the following. If you want to convert it this into this, you have to divide it by 10. This into this, you have to divide it by 10. dm into meter, you have to divide it by how much? 10. Meter to, you have to divide it by 10. dm to hm, you have to divide it by 10, and hm to km, you have to divide it by 10. So in this way, this table gives a lot of help to finding the things that you have easily convert. If you want to convert this like here to here, you have to multiply by 10. km to hm, hm to dm, dm, m, dm, cm, mm. You have to multiply by 10. Now when you are moving from left to right, you have to divide it by 10. In this way, you can easily convert the thing. The conversion will be easily for you. Now we will do some examples to easily understand this thing. (35 millimeter to cm). 35 millimeter to cm. As we all know, 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter. We have to convert mm to cm. It is millimeter. It's meter to cm. So we have to convert meter to this. What we are going to do? We are going to multiply it by what? Meter to centimeter. Multiply by 100. Multiply by 1000. M to mm. It means this will goes to this 10, 10 and 10. It means 1000. So 35 meter equals to 35 multiplied by 1000 mm. We got the answer 35,000 millimeter. So this will help you a lot. Now next you have to convert 12 meter to centimeter. We have to convert meter to centimeter. This to this. As we all know, 1 meter equals to 10 multiplied by 10. It is 100 centimeter. 12 meter equals to 12 multiplied by 100 centimeter. So it gives you 1200 centimeter. So in this you can easily do the conversion. 6 kilometer to meter. 6 kilometer to meter. It means this to this. We have to convert this to this. It means we have to divide it by, we have to multiply it by 1000. This to this. This is the bigger, this is the smaller. Smaller goes to big, bigger goes to smaller, then it will always be multiplied. 1 km equals to 1000 meter. 6 kilometer equals to 6 multiplied by 1000 meter. We got 6000 meter. So in this way we can easily do the conversion. Next, (57,000) meter to kilometer. It means this quantity is moving to this quantity, means smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger, it means it will always a division. 1 meter equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. 1 meter equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. 10, 10 and 10. So 57,000 meter equals to 57,000 upon 1000 kilometer. So the answer is 57 kilometer. In this way, we can easily do the conversion and we can easily measure the line segment also. Thank you, students.